From Australia's Riviera comes a new spirit of excellence, the 5400 Sport Yacht, the latest addition to Riviera's sophisticated sport yacht collection. Takes cruising in complete comfort to inspiring new levels. An entirely fresh new design, a sleek new profile, stylish hull windows, confident poise, a luxury motor yacht with an impeccable pedigree. Remarkable roominess that is unique in her class. Massive entertainer's cockpit. Functional forward deck. Luxurious saloon. With electric sunroof. Flexible 3-stateroom, 2-bathroom accommodation deck. Full beam master stateroom. That serves as a private retreat. Sports-inspired centerline helm equipped with the latest in marine technology. Amazing joystick maneuverability. State-of-the-art glass cockpit navigation and monitoring. Innovative C-Zone digital switching system. Base power is the IPS-2 800 twin pod drive system with D11 engines. There is the option for IPS-2 950s. The 5400 Sport Yacht is a world-class motor yacht. Stylish design, premium luxury, spirited performance, Riviera's legendary blue water seakeeping capabilities. The Riviera 5400 Sport Yacht will set many new benchmarks in luxury on-water cruising.